Recording District, Division Plus Master Beat.
We the best.
This is a dangerous groups that we're dealing with now. It was a nightmare.
Level 138 in progress.
Melting to the imprisoned image of a damaged mind, ravaged by an unforgiving time,
Spunda me ni Terminator nsimbi ya xiporo. Vroom me ni engine. Man, those days are gone. Life in I separate, but we're back together again. You know, no makule na katara mfana. Man, this is
my legacy,
and that's right. Yeah.
Launch in 3, 2, 1.
Yeah. Etapsa. I was Stevie on my queen and fun. Timpani and Tapsa boy. Now back in the old days, well a PHP for sure. We couldn't sleep cause the fan they were asking for more. Even though quality was the only thing we need, we couldn't get it, but take a look at what we did. Give a shot and tell it, look what ended the hit. And I know the producer love busy ended the beat. The kick, the bass, the string, the trumpet. Rapa the tavene, our ended the puppet. Suzuka perform at the show for free. Maran give a bang, man, it was a goal for me. Nick Nora Bonunanu Kungala the timing. And my homie Kakoras and while I'm busy rhyming. When I back with Trouble Shura when we started to sing. Still I'm a friend, just look at the joy we bring. Motivate our so we come together as one. Now I in the man